So we're happy with how the rest of it's sitting?
Yep, more than happy with that. Just getting these corners right, this is a bit more tricky.
Trying to get these bits lining. You can see in the side angle all the curves and all that in there, can't you? So these tiny little holes then you've got here, these are just going to be the spot welds, are they?
Yes, they're going to be, that's going to be plug welded through.
Plug welded.
Which I pre-drilled all these holes. The ones I haven't done is up here, but I've got to alter that yet anyway.
And when you say what's plug welding?
Plug welding is where you drill a hole through one panel and you weld in the hole and it picks up the other panel. So it's like a spot weld, but it's called a plug weld.
That is where we are at the minute. One boot lid, Honda S800. That's a good day. Good day done, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.